Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com and today we are going over the chart of the day. I normally don't do this, and we at PillarTrading.com, we like to mix it up and not do the same chart over and over again, just for those people that follow along and trade different markets. But in today's video, we are going to look at the same chart that we looked at yesterday, and I'm going to show you why we're doing that, why we're making this exception one time only. Now, you'll recall yesterday's video was the euro versus the US dollar on the spot exchange, and we called a level in yesterday's video that traded down here at 121.70s, 121.70s, with the target being up here at 123.66. Okay, you'll remember that that is significant because if we go back to the daily chart, this target breaks a major short setup on the daily. You can see it here. This short was from last week. We were anticipating it trading. It did trade up into it and sold off. And now, if we look at it now, yesterday's level has traded and we have broken out of the short. Okay, the target was hit. It wasn't hit yesterday. It was hit today. We've gone right through it. Short covering, passed it right by. Now, what does that mean? Well, number one, it means that this short setup is broken, so we can get rid of that. There is no longer any short setup. So, what are we looking for on the euro? Right now, we are looking for when this market turns around. So when the buying pressure, the covering begins to let up, there is going to be a pullback. And that pullback is going to be, if it were to stop right now at 123.95s, that pullback area, the buy area for the bulls, would be right here at 122.85s. That would be the start of it, okay? And that move would have a target up here at 124.54. So again, if things stop at 123.95, which there's no reason why they should stop there, that's just when we're making the video, that's where price is at right now, currently trading 123.84. Should we see a sell-off from this point, look for buy-side activity to start at that 122.85s with a target at 124.53s. So very large move setting up on the euro. The bullish pressure is there. We saw yesterday, or sorry, this morning, a break of that huge short setup. So things on the euro beginning to pick up. That's why it is the play again today. If you're interested in the longer term on the euro, go ahead and look back at yesterday's video. We talk a little bit about what's going to happen after this break, where we go from here. Right now, though, the daily and the intraday moves on the euro are bullish from this point here. This is the big point. Should we come through this level? Should we trade through and not get a reaction at this buy side level? Look for halfway back of this entire move, okay? Which if we go to the daily chart, we can draw up here. So you draw from 118.76s all the way up to wherever it turns around. Right now that would give you 121.35 as the next bullish opportunity. So again, there is no way this thing is bearish until we get a break of that mid-term and short-term trend on the 15-minute chart, which at the moment stands at 122.85. Now, also look out for a possible extension. You're going to see buying pressure up here at previous highs. Okay, don't be fooled into getting in early on this because we are more than likely to see a breakdown through there until we can resume buying pressure. Okay, just be aware that those levels are out there. Big play setting up. Hopefully you played yesterday's video and you got in on that move because it was a mammoth move, played out well, and that's the kind of moves we like to hit. So hopefully everyone has a good trading day today. If you've got any questions or comments on this chart or the other charts that we go over, stop by the website www.pillartrading.com and we try to get those questions answered for you as quick as we can. So I will see you all in the next video.